Hello everyone, this is Sivu Prem, a legal intern at Lexis and Company and currently pursuing BLLB honors from Central University of South Bihar. So, in the today's topic, I will be dealing with the right to equality in Indian Constitution. This topic will also be covered in two parts. In the first video, I will be dealing with the introduction section, the meaning of equality, evolution of this concept of equality, and the idea of equality under the Indian Constitution. Further, in the second video, I will be dealing with the Article 14, that is right to equality, its provisions and others. So, let me start today's topic with the introduction part. As right to equality is given in a number of in a series of articles from Article 14 to Article 18 of the Indian Constitution. Article 14 contains the principle of rule of law and Article 15, 16, 17 and 18 contains the uses of this principle. The preamble of the Constitution of India provides for equality of status and opportunity. Equality forms part of the basic structure of the Constitution of India. The phrase equality before law occurs in almost all the written constitutions which guarantees the right to equality. The Constitution of United States, uses the expression equal protection of law. Our Constitution, on the other hand, uses both expressions, that are equality before law and equal protection of law. The preamble of the Constitution of India emphasizes the principle of equality as the basic to the Constitution. Even constitutional amendments which offend the basic structure of the Constitution are invalid. The mere fact that equality, which is the part of the basic structure, can be executed for a limited aspect of to protect certain kinds of law, it doesn't prevent it from being part of the basic feature of the Constitution. It was held that the essence of the principles behind Article 14 is a part of basic structure. Some of the quotes given in the famous judgments are like equality is one of the magnificent cornerstones of Indian democracy. This, the doctrine of equality before law, is corollary of rule of law which prevails the Indian Constitution. Neither Parliament nor any state legislature can transgress the principle of equality. So now, let us see what is the meaning of equality. Equality basically means access or provision of equal opportunities where individuals are protected from being discriminated against. Discrimination in equality can occur in race, sex, health, religion, family, structure, and any others, or in terms of beliefs and any others. Equality is the basic feature of the Constitution of India, and treatment of unequals unequally will be a violation of the basic structure of the Constitution of India. Now let us see how the concept of the equality evolved. So basically the concept of equality can be tracked back to history. In Greek philosophy, according to the Aristotle, there should be equality between citizens of the same state. The Glorious Revolution of 1688 in England, the American Declaration of Independence of 1776, and in the year 1789, French Revolution took place, which helped the cause of equality. During this period, the French has declared the rights of a man, including the rights of equality. Firstly, right to equality is being traced to the Constitution of USA, drafted in 1787. So the idea of equality under Indian Constitution. Let us see this part. It has been that the preamble of, to our Constitution promises equality of status and opportunity to all the citizens, and that this idea of equality embraces both social and political equality. So far, the ideal of social equality is concerned. It is embodied in a series of articles of which Article 14 is a genus, and succeeding articles, that is Article 15 to 18, contain particular applications of thereof. Equality is the basic feature of our constitution. The state, its agencies, and other local bodies being charged with public duty are bound to take action which must be in accordance with the Article 14. The equality clause under Article 14 of the Constitution doesn't speak of mere formal equality before law, but embodies the real concept of real and subsequent equality and strikes at these inequalities. A more positive work of the state is to minimize inequalities in the status, income, and opportunities amongst individuals. Where unequals are competing, conditions must be created by relaxation or otherwise, so that unequal compete in terms of equality with others in respect of jobs and employment of the state. So that's all for now. Let us meet in the next session where I will be dealing with the Article 14, the right to equality. So please do like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.